Welcome everyone. Today we are walking through how to code a load posting event for a bridge in AssetWise, beginning with the key requirements from FHWA SNBI coding guide. SNBI section 5 defines load rating information and posting status must be documented. Let's start with the relevant SNBI subsections that govern how we document load rating and posting status. Subsection 5.2 Load posting status. The highlighted paragraph is important. It means that the subsection 5.2 would keep the history of the posting status changes occurred during the life of the bridge. Please note, no need to code previous history of the posting status changes. So the item we will be coding for posting status is BPS01 load posting status, the official coded value that indicates whether the bridge is open with no restrictions, needs restrictions, is posted or restricted for legal loads, or is closed. Item BPS02, the date when a posting or posting change becomes effective. Subsection 5.3 Load evaluation and posting. Here we will be coding BEP02 legal load rating factors, BEP03 posting type, BEP04 posting value. Posting type and posting values are only coded for posted bridges. Posting values report the specific tonnage shown on the actual load posting sign for each legal load configuration. These are the fields AssetWise must contain for compliance with SNBI. Next, we will walk through a real scenario. Assume we have completed a load rating and determined that the bridge requires a posting based on the rating factors, consistent with the OHDOT posting policy. For demonstration purpose, I will be using the example of bridge number 7102453, which is ROS 352849. Right. So let's go to the AssetWise. Here you will notice that I am in the AssetWise on the SNBI page, and this is the bridge number 7102453, which we are using for the demonstration purposes. So let's scroll down to section 5. Section 5 loads load ratings and posting. We will also be using the BR100 form for this bridge. So to save time, I have already coded the load rating factors of all the legal trucks, as well as the inventory rating factor and operating rating factor. So next we will be coding the posting sign type. Since Ohio posts all bridges based on the gross vehicle weight, so the posting sign type all will be truck loads. So I have already coded truck loads for every posting vehicle. Posting value will be the posting load in tons for each truck. So let's go to item BEP04 posting value. Please note we only post the truck gross weights as full tons. We do not round up the ton values. So for the vehicle 2F1, which is a 2 axle truck, our posted load according to our BR100 is 15 ton. For 3F1 truck, which is a 3 axle truck, our safe load is 23 ton. For 5C1 truck, this is a semi-trailer 5C1. For it, the safe load is 36 ton. For SU4 truck, which is 4 axle truck, our safe load is 27 ton. For SU5, which is a 5 axle truck, our safe load is 29 ton. For SU6 and SU7, which are 6 and 7 axle trucks, our safe load is 30 ton each. For OHDOT Type 3, which is a 3 axle vehicle, our safe load is 23 ton. OHDOT Type 3-3 is actually a double trailer and its safe load is 40 ton on this bridge. For OHDOT Type 3S2, which is semi-trailer, and its safe load is 36 ton. EV2 is emergency vehicle and its safe load gonna be 15 ton. It is a 2 axle vehicle. After we have coded all the posting values, we will move up to section 5.2 load posting operational status. The last record on this page shows the current bridge status and the change date. So currently this bridge, which is a permanent bridge, has no restrictions and it is open for traffic. Since the bridge requires posting for reduced legal loads, we will add a status change record. So to add a new record, we'll click Add New. The structure type, it is a permanent bridge, so this is gonna be permanent. The restriction is gonna be posted or restricted. The load posting status gonna be is needs reduction. Change date. This is the date when the determination was made and it was decided the bridge requires posting. This date could be different than the date of your load rating. For this particular bridge, we decided on January 9th, 2026 that this bridge requires a posting. That's all we have to do at this time. When the posting signs will be installed, we will return back to this section and create a new posting status. Structure, of course, this is a permanent bridge. Restriction, posted or restricted. Status, gonna be weight and the date when the installation of the signs were completed. So on this particular bridge, the signs were installed on February 6, 2026. So we're gonna code date February 6, 2026. And we can also fill out posting sign date here, which is same as February 6, 2026. And the type of the sign which was installed gonna be R12 H6, which is exactly the sign shown on the PR100. To summarize, coding a posting event in AssetWise follows the logic established in SNBI subsection 5.2 and 5.3. The workflow is follow the BR100, enter the load rating data in SNBI section 5. Here are the rating factors coded for each rating vehicle in Ohio. Posting sign type gonna be T for all trucks, and we code the posting values in tons. We do not round up the tons. Then we code the SNBI posting status in section 5.2 every time there is a change in the posting event. So this bridge we started with the no posting. We added an event of the date when the determination for the bridge posting was made. Then we came back, we added another event when the signs were installed. We entered the date the signs were installed. And that's pretty much all the steps. If you follow these steps, it will ensure consistent, federally compliant posting records statewide. I hope this short video will help in understanding the process of coding bridge posting in the AssetWise